Hi, first grade. Today we're going to finish our bee collage that we started last week. So you need your paper that you painted. You need a little piece of bubble wrap, some yellow paint, and a paintbrush, a piece of yellow paper, a little piece of white paper, scissors, glue, and a pencil. All right, so we're going to start with the paint and the bubble wrap. So that has time to dry while we're making our bee. So all I'm going to do is the puffy side where the bumps are. I'm going to take my yellow paint and I'm going to paint over those bumpy side, those bumps. And then I'm going to flip it over onto my paper, press it down, and I get this cool design. So I can usually get two before I have to put more paint on it again. And it can go over top of your flowers. I'll just do two more. Let's see over here. And right here. Okay. Maybe a little down here. All right, so now I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to set my paper aside to dry. And we'll start working on our bee. So this is a regular size piece of yellow paper. I only want to use 1/4 of the paper. So I'm folding it in half like a card, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. And when I open it up, I have 4 rectangles. I'm only going to use one for my bee. Now, if you want to put more than one bee on your picture, you can. All right, so I'm going to start with a big oval that fills up most of that space. All right, and then I'm going to take a black marker and I'm going to make an eye for the bee, and then I'm going to start making some black stripes. And coloring them in. Looks like my black markers are running out. Let's try this one. That one's better. All right, so we'll color our stripes. On our bee. All right, now we can cut that part out. Okay, and then we need to add the wings. So I'm going to take this little piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to draw one wing, And then when I cut it out, because it's folded, I'll get 2. And I'm just going to glue them onto the back of the bee like that. And then if you want to, you can put a little line in like that. And also, if you want to, and you have a white crayon, you can put a little white dot in the eye, like that. Alright, so now we'll take our bee and our painted paper, and we'll find a spot to put him. So I'm going to put him there because there's not really a lot of paint right here, and my paint's still a little bit wet. So if you wanted to add more bees, you could. But that's it. There's our bee collage. Hang that up somewhere. It's a good spring and summer picture. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.